wrong way.
Okay. Hey, Ms. Anthony, right?
Andrea.
Andrea, I'm sorry. Are you able to step out real quick? I just want to talk with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you need?
If you could step out, I want to speak with you. Just over here. Mike preserves this one. I want to speak with you. I'll make sure you're good to drive.
I mean, we're like, this is craziness.
What do you mean?
This is craziness what we have going on here. I'm going to stand right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like I said, I just make sure that you're good to drive. Apparently you were driving on the wrong side of the road and that's some other signs have been noted. Just make sure that you're good.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay if we take a look at your eyes?
No.
Okay.
What is happening right now?
Like I said, I want to make sure you're good to drive. I'm cooking DUI investigation.
Yeah. I will get an Uber if that makes you feel better. And I am like a few blocks from my house.
Okay. Like I said, I want to make sure that you're good to drive. That's why I want to take a look at your eyes. Again, it's optional.
Yeah.
But
no.
Okay. I just want very present demographic information with you then, okay? Yeah. Like your name. Could you come over here because my clipboard's over here? Ma'am, you can't go back to the car right now.
For what?
Because I'm conducting an investigation.
I don't know how all this works.
Ma'am, again, I said not back to the car.
But why?
Because I'm conducting an investigation right now. Okay?
I don't know how this works. No.
If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer right now. I just want to go ahead and verify some demographic information. My clipboard's over there. Your name, your current address.
So why can't I go back to my...
Because my clipboard is over there right now.
And my car's over there.
Okay, so I would like to write down this information on my clipboard over there.
Yeah.
Can you come with me over there?
Am I being arrested?
No, not at this point. You're not in handcuffs.
So then no.
Okay.
I can go to my car.
At this point, I'm telling you no, you cannot.
Why?
Because again, ma'am, I'm conducting an investigation.
Listen, I honestly don't know how all this works. Okay. I've never been in any kind of trouble ever.
Okay.
She keeps saying this is silly, but she still hasn't answered a single direct question. And that gap between her tone and her actions is about to matter a lot.
I am a few blocks from my boyfriend's house. And if you don't want me, I will walk to my house. Okay. I don't need to drive. Okay. Fine. I will
That's
walk.
not an option right now.
Yeah.
Sir, quiet.
This is silliness.
Sir, stop talking. Get back in the car.
No, we're fine.
Sir.
We're all fine. No, we're not arguing.
Can you get him back in?
We're all fine. We're all good. This is all good.
Okay, so listen, here's the thing. The reason I want to look at your eyes, I want to get your demographic information, and I want to do a few other field sobriety tests because I do not want to... Field sobriety tests are all voluntary. Including the eyes, walk and turn, one leg stand, things like that, okay?
Yeah.
The thing is that without your participation in it, I'm being forced to make a decision right now on whether or not... I'm being forced to make a decision.
Come on. I am 46 years old.
Okay. But let me finish this. This is important to you. I want to make sure that you understand this. And so, additionally, if you refuse to participate in field sobriety tests, should an arrest be made, your refusal can be used against you in court. Okay?
Come on. Like,
those are the two things I need to understand right now. I'm not trying to be like brass or anything like that with you, but I want to be very straightforward with you. I'm conducting a DUI investigation.
Of what?
Of the things that happen if you do not participate. Again, it's all voluntary. I cannot force you to do anything. I won't force you to do anything.
I will.
But again, without your participation, ma'am, I am being forced to make a decision based on my signs of impairment I have seen so far.
A decision of what?
Potentially an arrest decision.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
Stop. Like, how old are you? I am 46 years old. I am a mom. I am a teacher.
Okay.
I have been doing my best my whole life. Like, I will just go and walk.
That's not an
like,
option.
if you don't... Why?
Because I'm conducting my investigation right now.
Oh, come on. What is your name?
Officer Hall.
Officer what?
Hall. H-A-L-L. Like
that is my name.
Okay, last name Hall as well?
Yeah.
Maybe a distant relative. Who knows?
No, maybe.
But seriously, ma'am,
What is your first name?
Dustin.
Dustin. Yep. And I'm Andrea.
Okay.
Come on.
Ma'am, I have to do my job.
Okay.
I have to verify that you are good to drive.
Listen. Stop. This is silly. We don't need to do any of this.
She's been told the consequences of refusing twice now. And she's still stalling. That's not a legal strategy. That's just delaying the exact decision she's trying to avoid. And the officer already told her what happens next if she keeps doing it.
Come on.
So, will you participate or will you not participate? I need to know that.
Participate in what?
The field sobriety exercises.
No.
Like looking at the eyes and then walking.
No.
Okay, you understand what I told you before, right? Without your participation, that I'll be forced to make a decision, and if you refuse, your participation can be used against you in court.
Come on.
You understand that, right?
Oh my goodness.
And are you still refusing knowing that?
This is so silly.
And knowing that, are you still refusing?
Dustin.
Ma'am, I need a yes or no on that.
How old are you?
That's irrelevant.
Seriously. What is even happening right now?
Okay.
Why are there
I need
so
a yes
many
or no
people
on whether or
here?
not you're going to participate.
What is happening?
I need a yes or no on that.
Oh my goodness.
Otherwise, I'm forced to make a decision based on his observations and my observations.
I need to be able to call my lawyer then maybe.
Okay,
you
that
need
is
to
not an
not
option right
block
now.
my car.
Yeah,
it is absolutely always an option to call my lawyer.
I'm going to read your Miranda rights.
No, stop.
Stop, ma'am, stop. Don't go towards the car. I told you so many times already. I'm trying to be patient. I'm trying to be polite with you. That is not an option. I told you already. I told you multiple times.
Dustin, how old are you?
Okay, I'm going to read this to you.
Please, I need you to stop. This is so silly. What do I need to do here?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court of law.
This is ridiculous.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have
this
him
is
present with you.
ridiculous. I will call a lawyer.
Stop moving.
Then I will call a lawyer. This
if you cannot
is
afford to hire a lawyer,
ridiculous.
when you want to represent you.
What is even happening
You can decide
right
anytime
now?
to exercise these rights and not answer any question making you statements.
How is he reading me
Do you
my
understand
rights?
each of these rights I've explained
No,
to you?
I
What do you
do
like
not.
me to explain? What do you like me to explain? You don't have to speak with me, but I have to inform you of your rights, and then it's up to you on whether or not you speak with me.
Okay.
You want me to go ahead and read your rights again? Or are you just refusing to speak with me? So you don't want to speak with me?
No.
Okay, and again, you're refusing to participate in field sobriety exercises?
Yes.
Okay. Do me a favor, turn around.
No, this is
Stop.
ridiculous.
You're
Are you
gonna back.
kidding me right now?
You're being placed under arrest for DUI.
I am
Stop.
being...
Stop tensing, okay?
Are you guys kidding me right now? Are you
Can
guys
watch your hand for a
kidding
second?
me right now? What do I do?
Driving on the wrong side of the road, plus a refusal to do any testing, together are enough for an officer to act on. Roadside questioning before an arrest doesn't require a Miranda warning. That's why he only read her rights once she was actually arrested. Field sobriety tests are voluntary, but an officer can still tell a court that someone refused, and use that as part of the case. Keeping a second person physically separated during an active resisting arrest is standard officer safety practice, not personal treatment. Telling her she can't afford a lawyer isn't a legal fact. It's an opinion an officer has no business offering.
What?
Okay.
Okay, well then you need to call Dana Percy.
Ma'am, over here.
Right
Let go of the car. Let go of your phone.
Are you guys...
Let go of your phone.
I am not letting go of my phone.
You cannot have it right now.
What are you guys doing?
You're being arrested for DUI.
For what?
For DUI, like I told
Oh
you.
my gosh. You guys need to stop right now.
Sir.
No.
Guys, relax.
You guys need to stop right now.
Talk to you in a second.
Her a fucking
Not right now.
Not right now.
Not
you're
right now.
But we
Yes.
will help you later, okay? Just give
No,
us a minute.
this is crazy.
Face the car.
I need you to call Dana
Face the car.
Hersey
Face the car. Face the
Folgera.
car, man.
Dana,
Stop.
listen, I need you to
You
stop
can speak
right
with me a
now.
little bit, okay?
Okay?
Not right
No,
now. I
I'm
need to
not
finish what I'm doing.
struggling.
You are. Let go of the keys.
Stop. You guys need to stop right now.
This one.
Oh my gosh, what are you even doing right now?
You're being placed under arrest.
He's walking on
I'm trying to make sure that they don't tighten up on
I
you.
need you to not do that. This is ridiculous.
Okay, we're going.
This is ridiculous. Stop tightening things.
I don't think this is going to...
The more her companion pushes to get involved, the more this looks like it's about to include him, too. Watch how fast wanting to talk to her turns into handcuffs of his own.
What are you?
Stop
You need
moving,
to
man.
stop.
Stop moving.
Okay, what are you doing?
You're being placed under arrest. I told you already.
This is craziness. This is crazy. Okay.
Stop. Face the car, man. Face the car.
No, I need
Face
you
the car.
to stop Ty, I need you to
Okay,
call.
we're just getting her in the car.
No, stop right now.
Get in the car.
Okay,
Yeah.
stop. Ty, I need
Ma'am,
you
we're
to call
getting in the car.
Dana
We're getting in the car.
Percy Bulgara.
Stop.
Dana
In the car, ma'am.
Percy, stop
Get in the
right
car.
now.
Get in the car.
Stop.
Ma'am, get in the car.
Get in the
I
car,
need
or
you
we can
to
put you
stop.
in the car. Okay.
I need you to
Let's
stop.
go. Get inside.
Both of you
This is
need
not
to
a debate.
stop.
Sit down.
No, I need you to stop.
Take a seat in the car. Ma'am,
Ty.
you're getting in the car or we put you in the car.
Get in the car.
Dana Percy Bulgara.
I'll talk to him more.
Alright, I can.
Yeah.
Hey, bud, if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them.
Now that she's secure and we can focus on you.
If you have questions.
Now we have questions? Now we want to fucking talk? I actually want to talk to her. Can I talk to her?
That's up to you.
I mean,
But
no.
here's the deal. Here's what you have to understand. Okay, I get this is a stressful process.
It's not
When we're-
stressful. I'm just trying to ask her a
Okay.
question.
Right.
Dana, whoever. I don't know the number.
But when we're dealing with somebody, taking them into custody, and they're struggling, we can't have someone
We
behind
can't have
us.
someone behind us moving around. We don't know
doing-
what's going
doing
on.
our
Again,
attention,
not
okay?
that you have bad
Let's
intentions.
deal one thing at a time. Safety is paramount for you.
Yeah,
and
I
for
get
us.
it.
So
I get it.
just don't get
She's
frustrated
a
when we tell you
violent
to back
character
up.
with guns and she's
You know
nuts.
what? We don't know if she
Yeah,
has a
whatever.
gun.
Guys,
Okay,
relax.
so you can argue
Yeah,
with us, or you
relax,
can just be
relax.
patient, and we'll answer your question. You're giving us an attitude. She's a
broad woman.
It does not
Hey, you
matter.
guys-
That doesn't matter,
It does
sir.
not
That
matter
doesn't
who
matter.
you
We're all
are.
feeling
When you're
tough
being
now.
taken into
Fuck off.
custody, you're being taken into custody.
Stop. Put the car down.
Mind standing by with her, making sure she doesn't do anything.
If alcohol played a role in tonight, the SAMHSA helpline at 1-800-662-4357 is free, confidential, and open right now. No date, no agency name, and barely a reason beyond a driving complaint ever gets stated out loud in this entire clip. Officer Grade B. Calm. Repeated warnings before any escalation, and a Miranda warning delivered at exactly the right moment. Andrea's Grade D. Refused every test offered, ignored repeated warnings, and turned a traffic stop into a second arrest for someone else. Telling her she can't afford a lawyer wasn't necessary, wasn't accurate to assume, and added nothing to an already tense scene. Her companion's arrest almost certainly came from moving during an active, resisting arrest, not from anything he actually said. A calm eye check or a walk and turn wouldn't have hurt her case if she was sober. Refusing just handed the officer the decision. Wanting to protect someone you care about is human. But standing near an officer during a struggle is exactly what safety protocol exists for. 1 traffic stop, 2 arrests, and almost none of it traces back to how she was actually driving. If this breakdown helped, subscribe for more.
want to deal with it.
She was arrested for driving while intoxicated and taken to the next town for a breath test because her own station's machine was down. Now look at what she did before police ever arrived. She got out of the driver's seat, climbed into the back and lay down. That was the plan. It failed before it started because the man whose garbage cans she hit had followed her the whole way and described her clothing down to the color. Then she explained the damage herself. She said she hit a garbage can. That is an admission that she was driving. And she said she had not touched a drink since getting into the car, which only meant the drinking happened before. 2 sentences meant to help her close both doors behind her. Remember that an explanation is also a statement, and it is being recorded.